How can I make my website appear on Google? Create a simple navigation page for users. Avoid the following. Over-segmenting your site's content, to the point that it takes 20 clicks to get to it from the home page. Controlling most page-to-page navigation on your website through text links makes it easier for search engines to crawl your website and learn about its content. When using JavaScript to create a page, use elements with URLs as the attribute values, and then create all list elements on page load, rather than waiting for user interaction. Avoid the following. Make the navigation process completely dependent on images or animations. You should include a simple navigation page for your entire website for users, or more important pages if you have hundreds or thousands of pages. You can create an XML sitemap to ensure that new and modified pages on your site can be detected by search engines, including all relevant URLs as well as the dates they were last modified. Avoid the following. Navigation page left without updating due to broken links. Show useful 404 pages. Sometimes users will arrive at a page that isn't available on your website by either following a broken link or typing an incorrect URL. The user experience can be greatly improved by displaying a custom 404 error page that instructs users to return to an available page on your website. We recommend that you include a link back to the root page and provide links to popular or related content on your website. You can use Google Search Console to find URL sources that are causing page not found errors. Avoid the following. Allow 404 pages to be indexed by search engines. Make sure your web server is set up to display an HTTP 404 status code, or include the index when requesting non-displaying pages in the case of JavaScript-based websites. Prevent crawling of 404 pages with robots.txt. Displays an unclear message, such as not found or 404, or the 404 page never appears. The use of a layout for 404 pages is inconsistent with the rest of your site. A navigation page is a simple page on your site that shows the structure of your website, usually consisting of a hierarchical list of your site's pages. Visitors can go to this page if they are having problems finding pages on your site. The search engines will visit this page as well and achieve good crawl coverage for the pages on your website, but this page is mainly directed to your visitors. Create a natural hierarchical flow. Make it easy for users to move from the general content to the more specific content they want on your site. You can add navigation pages when appropriate to effectively design these pages within your website's internal link structure. You must make sure that all pages of your website are accessible through links, and that they do not require an internal search function to find them. You can add links to related pages, where appropriate, to allow users to discover similar content. Create complex networks of navigation links, for example, to link every page on your site to every other page. Use text to navigate. Require navigation event handling based on a script or plugin. Create a navigation page that presents just a list of pages without organizing them, for example by topic. SEO guide for beginners.